Okay, Joe. Benjamin's awake now. And did you wake him up?
No.
What happened?
He did wake up by himself.
Oh, he did he? What are all these blocks and things? You don't think that could have possibly woken up Benjamin, do you?
Those blocks and things for Benjamin.
They're for Benjamin? Does he like that? Poor Ben. You don't get any rest, do you, buddy? Well, he doesn't seem too bothered by the blocks. You're lucky. Hey, Joe. Benjamin your friend? You like him? Okay. Alright, let's get these blocks off, Joe. I think he's all done.
I think he wants to be hold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put napkins on.
I think he wants to be old too.
Old man. Good boy. He has them, sells them, and he walks them up to the top of the hill, and he mops them down again. And they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. But when they were only halfway up, they were either upside down.
Let's sing Josephus.
Had a sad little bird. There was his name on me, and they all and they only bid was a stable.
Now, Baba.
Baba, black sheep, have a rainbow. There's a bed for one for the master, one for the day, one for the little boy who lives down the side. Baba, black sheep, have a rainbow. There's a back for.
Thank you, Joe.